What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Lady C, and I am back with another mukbang video for you guys. And I'm excited about this one. This right here is the Boudin hot Cheetos bowls. I also did TAKIS because I ran out of Cheeto dust. I had to make a lot of them. But yeah, I'm excited. I probably said it wrong, but Boudin sausage hot Cheeto balls. And I got some cheese and some pepperoncinis right there. Guys, I'm ready to see what this is about. I hope y'all are doing wonderful out there. You guys had a great day. Don't mind my hat. I'm having a bad leave out day, but it is what it is. All right, y'all, let me see which one I'm gonna do first. I guess I'm gonna start with the traditional hot Cheetos one. This what it look like. And I made these, okay? I made these from scratch, and I'm gonna show y'all a clip it at the end of this video of me making it, so y'all won't think that I'm lying, but I made it. But this is the hot Cheetos, nicely coated. Let me crack this open for y'all. Ooh. Oh yeah, that cheese pull was weak, but it's all good. Let's see. Oh my. Let's get into this. Now wait a minute here. Wait a minute. Now that's good. Matter of fact, y'all. God damn. This little thing really hitting. It is busting. Oh my gosh. Yo. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I felt like her. Hercules, Hercules.
Oh, Hercules, Hercules, Hercules.
That is banging. Dang. The kids ain't tell me it was that good. They ate theirs first. Yo. Oh, I don't want your cheese, but yeah. Oh, cheese. Yo. What? Now, let me tell y'all. I used ground beef instead of Boudin sausage. Disclaimer. However, I made it the same way you make the Boudin sausage balls. This little thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Go in and drip. I'll put my foot in that. I put my foot in that. What in the world? Now, it ain't spicy for it to be hot Cheetos. It ain't spicy at all. I think when you cook the hot Cheetos, it dims it down a little bit. But matter of fact, let me see if I can spice it up. Oh, I should have left you alone. I'm gonna have to make this again. Y'all better try y'all one of these bowls. Y'all better try. If you can make it, look it up on TikTok how to make it. Make it. It's hands down worth it. It is good. I'm surprised. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. Excuse me. All right, I'm gonna try the TAKIS one. I'm proud of myself. I made that look. I made that too. I made that too. Y'all. A little baby cheese pool. I don't know about the TAKIS. Cause TAKIS is a little spicy than hot Cheetos. You don't know what you do. People do what I do. You like that summer. That's good too. That's good too. I'm gonna choose the hot Cheetos over this one though, but it ain't bad at all even. Like, if I gave the hot Cheetos a 10, I'll give this a 9. Why? I don't know. Cause it ain't hitting as good as the hot Cheetos, but it's just as good. Like, if I didn't have the hot Cheetos, I would like this too. Oh my goodness. This little thing filling too. Oh my goodness. Yo. This is bussin'. Bussin', bussin', bussin'. Wow. TikTok be putting you on. For real.
Hi guys, hi. You already ate it. Scoot over.
Oh!
Scoot it. Scoot your tootie.
It's good too.
Thought so.
It's good too.
Yeah.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
You on the phone too?
Yeah.
Hi, Nick.
Oh, let's try the sauce.
It's good, ain't it? Well, here's Kendall, guys. Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta try Dr. One.
Me?
Yeah. Put it over there with you.
Big sauce.
Y'all funny. It's good, ain't it, Kendall? You want to try some pepperoni sauce on it?
Pepperoni sauce?
Mm-hmm. I do a little bit. Tell them how good it is. What you rate it? What you rate it as? 9. Which one? Which one you rate a 9? The Takis? Which one you rate the hot Cheetos? Get back into this hot Cheetos. I got to get back into the hot Cheetos.
I rated 8.9.
8.9 the hot Cheetos? You like the Takis one better?
7.
Like the cheese with it? Yeah.
The cheese with the Takis makes it a 10.
I give the hot Cheetos a 10. And I give the Takis a 9.
Yo, look at that cheese, Nick. Here.
I guess we're doing a duo.
Oh!
This is really good though. I'm getting full already, Kendall. I'm getting full. You might be full since you had one already. No. You can keep going. You didn't say nothing. Ooh. What you was just doing?
What?
What you was just doing?
I had a rank match on Fortnite with Nick.
You was playing a game? Did you win?
We got 14th place.
You still in the game?
It's over. I can play another one.
It's good, y'all.
See if I can win. Nick,
You full?
these are busts.
He ain't even engaged, guys.
Say hi, Nick.
Alright. So. Ooh, excuse you. I'm pretty much done, guys. This is really filling. You want to say bye?
Peace,
Can you go ahead and
guys.
finish doing what you was doing?
Nick, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Go ahead.
They didn't hear you say it again.
There.
Bye-bye.
Alright, go ahead.
Peace. Don't
Go.
scooch my tooties.
Go on. Go on. Your legs stuck.
Ow.
I can never do a mukbang. And he know I'm doing a mukbang. Wow, him got to be a part of my mukbang. Y'all. He done messed up my whole vibe. Ate 2 of them, left, didn't even finish it. Just left it there. Took 1 bite, then dip. You wanna know why? Because he already is. Anyway, guys, this was 10 out of 10. TikTok be hitting us. We having some gems on there as far as some food. So, if y'all don't feel like it, and y'all near a restaurant that makes it, it's worth trying for real. But if you got patience with like grinding up the Cheeto dust and all that, definitely try it. All right, y'all. Oh, that one went straight to my nose. All right, y'all. Who that? You gonna creep in? Are you coming in? Anyway. I knew it was you. That is all for today, guys.
Please get V-Bucks so I can pretty please get the battle pass.
No.
I really want V-Bucks, please, mama.
I just got you some.
I literally gave you $10, please.
Can I close out my video?
Go ahead.
Guys. Alright, y'all. That is all for today's video. Stop shaking it.
Not. I'm trying to wait.
10 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And until the next video, guys, thank you for watching. Deuces. All right, y'all. I wasn't going to show y'all how I made the cheese balls, the hot Cheetos balls, but this looks so goddamn good. I had to share it. So, it's ground beef, rice, red pepper, green pepper, onion. What I got? Yellow pepper, seasoning. And I'm just mixing it up with some cheese. So it's all mixed in there. And yeah. Gotta do mozzarella for the cheese pull. Alright. So when I come back, you'll see the final result. Alright. Just wanted to share that with y'all. This is what the balls look like.